Do, 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 to see or not to see. Do, 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 to see or not to see.
Join the rush line, try the lottery, or pay full price, because this is the best show you'll see.
Do, 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 to see or not to see.
Remix.
To see or not to see. To see or not to see.
Renaissance Talent wants a place to be, the best talent you ever did see. Blex brought their show downtown, and we're telling that story on Broadway now.
To see or not to see. Hi, we missed you all. We're talking about Shuffle Along and the making of the musical sensation of 1921 and all that followed. Tickets are $79 and they go up to $169. It's playing at the Music Box Theater on 45th Street, 2 hours and 40 minutes with one intermission. Shuffle Along is about the groundbreaking 1921 musical. It had a cast with all blacks, and it was written and directed and music by an African American as well. It was a groundbreaking show, and this musical takes a look at the behind the scenes drama that went on and everything that had to do with the development of the show and what came after it.
Yes.
What'd you think?
I think that I loved it. Okay, I really did. I really enjoyed this performance. I actually did Rush. So it was the last day that you could do Rush. I ran and was at the theater quite early, and I got tickets right in the very first row. So I got to see Audra perform, and this was before they made the official announcement that she's pregnant.
Yep.
But I could kind of guess that from watching the show. I really love the energy level. I love the historic importance of this show. I think it's so great and timely that this show is here on Broadway right now on Black Broadway Road, 45th Street, with all of these shows featuring all of these artists of color. It's a great time that this show is back in the theater. Talent was great. I'm going to say that my favorite was Adrienne Warren. I'm maybe a bit partial because I knew her from like years ago when I first moved to the city, but I thought she did really well playing more than one character. At first she's Gertrude, and then she comes back as Florence Mills, and I like that whole transition and how she played both characters, growing and developing and ultimately becoming Audra McDonald's characters, Lottie G. Protege. Yeah, she trained her, and yeah, it was quite engaging. I like the performance.
Great. I really liked it as well. I give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. My favorite parts were, of course, the tap dancing. So choreography by Savion Glover. The graveyard shuffle is a wonderful part of Shuffle Along, where the dancers are moving from one city to the next, kind of on the Chitlin circuit, if you would. And the choreography was great. The dancers really shone in that section, and I wanted to see more. It was too short. I really also loved the seamless transitions between each scene. Things were moving very quickly. I never felt like, oh my gosh, this is dragging on too long. There were 2 songs that I didn't really think needed to go as long as they did. One was Swing Along and the other was Memories of You. But all in all, this show really didn't feel like 2 hours and 40 minutes.
No.
My favorite character was Joshua Henry. He played Noble Sissel, and he was so hoity-toity and just, you know, got that erect back, and just he embodied the character like no other, and I really walked away thinking, I'll never forget that portrayal.
Yeah.
He was wonderful. And then lastly, going back to the choreography, Philip Atmore was such a wonderful performer, a tap dancer that I've known for 15 plus years, but in this production, he is outstanding. He shines no matter where he is on stage, and it's just the naturalness of his movement quality and the head motions are, he demands that you look at him, and I just love him in Shuffle Along, and he's the best part of it in my opinion.
And of course, that's partly because of Savion Glover, who choreographed the show, and he's actually going to be joining the cast.
That's right, July 26th, Savion goes in. We know Audra's pregnant, so she's leaving on the 24th of July. She'll be replaced by Rion Giddens, formerly of the Carolina Chocolate Drops, but Savion goes in on the 26th, so I'll be back to see it.
And I'm going to encourage you all to go see this show, not only because of the talent, not only because of the production value, but also because of the historic importance of this show. It really talks about the preservation and the perseverance as well of people of color, and how they started nowhere and wound up bringing the show downtown and actually this was at the beginning of the Harlem Renaissance when white and black people started to interact more, and somehow throughout time we've forgotten about this show, and it's back now and it's really phenomenal. So congratulations to the entire production team. I'm going to give this show 4.25. I really enjoyed it. Have a few little notes, you know, but overall 4.25. You definitely should go and see it.
Yeah, when I am talking to people and they're saying they're coming to New York and what should they see, this is the first show that I recommend that they see. So it's not to be missed. Who knows if we'll get another chance to see this all-star cast of Billy Porter, Brian Stokes Mitchell, Audra McDonald.
Oh, and also the orchestra was led by Shelton Benton. You know how many times I go to Broadway and see a live orchestra and it's not a person of color anywhere in sight, where a person of color was directing this orchestra, and it was phenomenal. So congratulations again.
So shuffle along. You must not miss it.
Yes, go ahead and shuffle to the theater and get your ticket.
That's right.
Do 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 to see or not to see.
Do 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 to see or not to see.